Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Rutuja. In this lecture, we are going to start our first unit, that is talent acquisition and onboarding in employee life cycle. This will be the part 1 in which I will explain each concept in very simple language with practical examples that you see around your day-to-day life. Let's begin. In today's lecture, we will cover only two important topics. The first topic is overview and significance of human resource management in today's dynamic business environment, and the second topic is strategic role of human resource management in achieving organization competitiveness. The remaining topic like recruitment, selection, onboarding, emerging recruitment technologies will be covered in our next lecture. So let's first understand what exactly human resource management is. So let's start with our first point, that is overview of human resource management in today's dynamic business environment. So what is human resource management? Human resource management is process of planning, recruiting, selecting, training, developing, motivating, evaluating and retaining employees so that organization goals can be achieved effectively and efficiently. Before understanding HRM, let me ask you a simple question. Imagine you want to start a restaurant. What things do you need? Simply, you need money, you need furniture, you need kitchen equipments, you need a building. But suppose you have all those things and there is no employee. Can you run your restaurant? Obviously not. This shows that people are the most important resource in every organization. That's why organization must have human resource management. So it is said that human resource management is a process of planning, recruiting, selecting, evaluating and retaining employee so that organization goal can be achieved. It's a simple word. Human resource management is a art and science of managing people at workplace. What HRM do is it hire right person at right time at right place. It train the employee. It motivates the employee. It helps to increase the performance of employee and also help the employee to remain in the same organization for longer period of time. So take a real life example for this. Suppose Reliance want to open a new shopping mall. Before opening the mall, what HR will do is he will recruit various employee over there such as managers, sales executive, cleaner, customer support staff, security guard, cashier, etc. etc. After the recruitment, HR will train all the employee. Then HR will motivate them to go through incentives and rewards. Finally, HR will evaluate their performance. This entire process is nothing but human resource management. So, every employee passes through different stages after joining an organization. So HRM covers all the activities related to employee from time of joining the organization until they leave the organization. So HR department is responsible for managing the complete employee life cycle. So what is employee life cycle? It is nothing but human resource planning. The organization decides how many employees are needed. Second one is recruitment. The best candidate is chosen. Next one is placement. The selected employee is assigned the job. Then comes training and development. Then learn the skills required for their job. Next one is performance appraisal. The organization evaluate employee performance. Then employee receive compensation and benefits such as salaries, incentives, bonuses, insurance, and other facilities. So HR look after all the employee welfare, ensuring safe working condition and employee well-being. Next come is industry relation, which maintain healthy relationship between management and employee. After that, HR support career development by providing promotions and learning opportunities. HR also focus on employee retention so that talented employees continue working with the same organization. And finally, every employee eventually reaches retirement or exist management, where HR manage the separation process personally. This entire journey from joining to leaving the organization is called as employee life cycle. So for example, think about your own college journey. First you take the admission, second you go for orientation program, then your classes are started, then you go for assignments, then you go for examination, then you go for placement. After that final examination you get graduated. Similarly, employee also goes through different stages in the organization. Next, we'll start with the significance of human resource in today's dynamic business environment. Now let's just understand why HRM is important in our today's business environment. Earlier business focused mainly on machine and production, but today's organization now employees are the greatest strength. So let's discuss five important reasons why human resource management is important. First one is attracting and retaining the talent. Every company wants skilled employee. HR attract talented people by offering good salaries, career growth, training, and positive work environment. When employees are happy, they remain in the company for the longer time. Let's take a small example. Company like Google and Infosys provide excellent learning opportunities which help the employee to gain their talent. Next one is managing the change. Today's business environment change rapidly. New technology, artificial intelligence, automation, and changing customer expectations require organization to change continuously. So HR helps the employee to accept this change through proper communication and training. For example, when bank introduced digital banking, employee were needed training for that particular thing. So the HR has organized various training program to train the employee regarding the digital banking. Third is improving employee engagement. Engaged employee work with enthusiasm. HR increase engagement through recognition, awards, promotion, career development, and employee appreciation. For example, Employee of the Month award to motivate employee for the performance. Fourth point is reducing risk. HR ensures that organization follows labor law. HR also promote workplace safety. This reduce legal problems for the company. Fifth one is building employer brand. Employer brand means the company's image as a workplace. If employees are happy, they will speak positively about the organization. As a result, more talented employee will join the company. For example, Tata Group is respected because it employs give positive responses, or we can say it is employee friendly policies are adopted over there. Now let's move towards our second point, that is strategic human resource management. Strategic human resource management is also called as SHRM. Earlier, HR mainly handled attendance, salaries, leaves, and recruitment. But today, HR participate in business decisions, HR plan for future organization. So this is called as strategic human resource management. In the simple word, strategic human resource management means aligning the policies with organization long-term goal. The purpose behind this is to build highly skilled, motivated and committed workforce. For example, suppose an IT company plan to expand into artificial intelligence. HR will recruit AI engineers, provide AI training, and also develop future AI leaders. This will support company business strategy, that is called as strategic HRM. Now let's start with the strategic role of human resource management. Let's understand one by one. The first one is link employee with company's goal. Every employee should know how their work contributes towards organization success. When employee understand the company's mission, they work towards greater commitment. For example, if Amazon want faster delivery, every employee from warehouses, delivery partners must know that Amazon actually want fastest delivery, so that the employee will contribute towards that particular goal. Second one is building competitive advantage. Employees with better skills make organization stronger and than the competitor. HR continuously trains employee. For example, Infosys train thousands of employee every year with the new technology. What the Infosys is doing, it is building their employee towards their competitive edge. Next one is adapting towards the change. As we all know that the market change, technology change, customer needs also change. So HR also has to prepare employee for the change throughout the continuous learning process. For example, companies now train employee in artificial intelligence and ChatGPT because these technologies are becoming part of their day-to-day life. Next is improving employee performance. HR developed system for performance appraisal, feedback, training and rewards so that employee know what is expected from them and they will perform for the better productivity. Next point is driving business growth. Whenever organization expand, they need skilled employee. HR plan for future workforce requirement. For example, if a company wants to open 10 new branches, then HR start recruiting much before the branches are opened. Next one is increasing operational efficiency. HR clearly defines job roles, responsibilities and work flows so that employee know what exactly they have to do. This helps to reduce the confusion, it saves time, it helps to reduce the duplication of work, and also helps to improve productivity. So let's quickly revise today's lecture. Today we learned that human resource management is process of managing people effectively. HR covers every stages of employee career from recruitment to retirement. We also learned that HRM plays important role in attracting, retaining, managing, reducing risk, building strong employee brand. And finally, we understood the strategic role of human resource management in achieving long-term success, aligning HR practices with business goal. So, thank you everyone for watching this lecture. I hope you have clear understand the overview and significance of human resource management. In the next lecture, we will study recruitment and selection in detail. If you found this lecture helpful, please like the video, share this with your classmate, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any question, write them in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next lecture. Happy learning.